Zoho Books versus Billy. Which has better expense management? Let's get into it. If you're on the hunt for the right software to manage your expenses, you're probably considering both Zoho Books and Billy. But which one truly stands out when it comes to expense management? Well, that's exactly what we're breaking down today, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one will help you streamline your finances best. So, let's jump right in. First thing you'll notice with Zoho Books is its robust functionality. It has an impressive set of tools, from invoicing and financial reporting to a powerful expense tracking system. You can easily capture receipts, categorize your expenses, and even sync with your bank accounts to keep everything up to date automatically. Sounds great, right? Well, it is, but it's not perfect. The user interface can feel a bit clunky at times, and if you're a small business owner, it might be overwhelming with all the features it packs. Next thing to consider is Billy. While Zoho Books aims to be a complete financial hub, Billy focuses on simplicity and ease of use, especially for small businesses. It has a sleek, user-friendly design that makes expense management easy, even if you're not a financial expert. The standout feature here is its expense approval workflow, which allows you to set rules and approve expenses before they're recorded. It's streamlined and intuitive, but it does have its limitations, like fewer customization options compared to Zoho Books. If you need advanced reports or detailed insights, Billy may feel a bit too basic. The fourth thing to look at is integration capabilities. Zoho Books integrates with a vast range of third-party apps, so if you're using tools like PayPal, Stripe, or even Shopify, Zoho Books can plug right in. This makes managing your expenses even easier by automatically pulling in transactions. On the other hand, Billy has fewer integrations, which could be a deal breaker for those who rely heavily on external apps for their operations. When it comes to expense tracking, both Zoho Books and Billy allow you to manually enter and categorize expenses, but Zoho Books takes the lead with its receipt scanning and expense reports. With Zoho Books, you can upload a photo of your receipt, and the software will automatically extract the key data. It's a neat feature for businesses with lots of purchases. Billy, in contrast, doesn't have receipt scanning, but it offers direct bank syncing, which can be a lifesaver for simplicity. It's a trade-off. Billy is easier, but Zoho Books offers more control. Then, there's pricing. Zoho Books offers more features, but it's also on the pricier side. For small businesses or startups, the cost might be a bit much if you're not using everything Zoho has to offer. Billy is more affordable, but with that lower price tag, you're getting fewer advanced features. It's a solid choice if you don't need the bells and whistles that Zoho Books provides. Finally, I've tested both software systems myself, and while they both offer solid expense management solutions, if you're really looking for the most effective way to manage your expenses without the complexity, neither of these software options should be your final choice. They're both good, but they each have their drawbacks. So, here's the deal. After trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative that I think will actually help you achieve your goals more effectively. If you want an expense management solution that's simple, intuitive, and offers all the right tools, head to the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.